Our planet Earth teems with life. From the highest mountain peaks to the deepest ocean trenches, life finds a way. This incredible variety of living things, from tiny insects to gigantic whales, is what we call biodiversity. Imagine a rainforest, lush and green, with colorful birds singing in the canopy. Monkeys swing through the trees, while insects hum about their busy day. Now, picture a coral reef, bursting with vibrant colors. Fish of every shape and size dart among the corals. These are just glimpses into the amazing diversity of life on Earth. Dive beneath the waves, and you'll enter a world of vibrant color and bustling activity. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are among the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. These underwater cities are built by tiny animals called corals, which secrete calcium carbonate skeletons that form the reef structure. Coral reefs provide shelter, food, and breeding grounds for a dazzling array of marine life. From brightly colored fish and delicate seahorses to graceful rays and majestic sharks, coral reefs are a kaleidoscope of life. But coral reefs are facing serious threats. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change are damaging these fragile ecosystems at an alarming rate. Protecting coral reefs is crucial for maintaining the health of our oceans and the livelihoods of millions of people who depend on them. Deserts may seem like barren wastelands, but they are, in fact, teeming with life. From the scorching Sahara to the icy landscapes of Antarctica, deserts are home to a surprising array of plants and animals that have adapted to survive in these extreme environments. Deserts are characterized by low rainfall, extreme temperatures, and sparse vegetation. But life finds a way. Plants like cacti have evolved thick, fleshy stems to store water, while animals like camels have developed remarkable adaptations to conserve water and regulate their body temperature. Despite their harsh conditions, deserts are home to a surprising diversity of life. Deserts are a testament to the resilience of life. Protecting these unique ecosystems is crucial for preserving the biodiversity of our planet. Imagine vast, rolling plains covered in a sea of green grass, stretching as far as the eye can see. This is a grassland, a biome dominated by grasses and other herbaceous plants. Grasslands are found on every continent except Antarctica and play a vital role in supporting a wide variety of life. From the African savanna, home to herds of zebras, wildebeest, and lions, to the North American prairies, where bison once roamed freely, grasslands are essential habitats for grazing animals. These animals, in turn, support predators like wolves, cheetahs, and eagles. Grasslands are also important carbon sinks, storing vast amounts of carbon dioxide in their soils. But grasslands are facing increasing threats from human activities. Protecting these vital ecosystems is essential for preserving biodiversity and maintaining the health of our planet. Our planet's forests are like giant green lungs breathing life into our world. They clean our air, provide homes for countless creatures, and help regulate our climate. But imagine these lungs slowly disappearing, vanishing before our eyes. This is the reality of deforestation. Every minute, vast areas of forest are cut down or burned, often to make way for agriculture, logging, or mining. The Amazon rainforest, often called the Earth's lungs, has lost a significant portion of its area in recent decades. This loss not only impacts the countless species that call the Amazon home, but also contributes to climate change. When forests are destroyed, stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, exacerbating global warming. Protecting our forests is not just about saving trees, it's about safeguarding the intricate web of life that depends on them. Imagine a crystal-clear stream, its waters teeming with fish, reflecting the blue sky above. Now picture that same stream, choked with plastic waste, its waters murky and lifeless. Pollution, in its many forms, is poisoning our planet, from the highest mountains to the deepest oceans. Plastic waste clogs our waterways, entangles marine life, and takes hundreds of years to decompose. Chemicals from factories and farms seep into our rivers and lakes, contaminating drinking water and harming wildlife. Air pollution from cars and industries fills our cities with smog, damaging our health and contributing to climate change. Pollution doesn't respect borders. It travels through the air and water, impacting ecosystems and communities far from its source. We need to rethink our relationship with our planet and embrace sustainable practices that minimize our impact on the environment. Our planet has a delicate balance, a finely tuned system that supports life. But this balance is being disrupted by climate change, driven by human activities. Climate change is like turning up the heat, causing effects felt worldwide. Rising temperatures are melting glaciers, contributing to sea level rise. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and intense. Addressing climate change requires a global effort to reduce emissions. It's a challenge that demands our Imagine your home, the place where you feel safe and secure, suddenly destroyed. This is the reality for countless species facing habitat loss, one of the greatest threats to biodiversity. As humans continue to expand our footprint on the planet, we are encroaching on the natural world, destroying habitats and pushing species to the brink. Deforestation, agriculture, urbanization, and infrastructure development are fragmenting and destroying habitats at an alarming rate. As habitats disappear, so do the plants and animals that depend on them. Species that cannot adapt to these changes face an uncertain future, with many driven to extinction. Habitat loss not only threatens individual species, but also disrupts entire ecosystems. Protecting and restoring habitats is crucial for preserving biodiversity and ensuring that Imagine walking through a vast library filled with books about every single living thing on Earth. That's a lot of books. How would we ever find the information we need? That's where taxonomy comes in. Taxonomy is like a giant filing system for all living things. It helps us organize and understand the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Just like we organize books in a library by genre, author, and title, scientists use a system to classify living things based on their shared characteristics. This system helps us understand how different species are related to each other and their place in the grand scheme of life. Now let's embark on a journey through this ladder of life, starting with the broadest category. At the top of our taxonomic ladder, we have the domains, the broadest categories of life. There are 3 domains: bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. Bacteria and archaea are single-celled organisms that often thrive in extreme environments, like hot springs or deep-sea vents. Eukarya includes all organisms with cells that have a nucleus, including plants, animals, fungi, and protists. Within the domain eukarya, we have the kingdoms, which are the next level down our ladder. There are 4 main kingdoms: Animalia, animals; Plantae, plants; fungi, mushrooms, molds, and yeasts; and Protista, a diverse group of mostly single-celled organisms. Each kingdom has its own unique characteristics that set it apart from the others. Animals, for example, are multicellular organisms that obtain nutrients by consuming other organisms. Section 3. Diving deeper, phylum to class. As we climb down our taxonomic ladder, we reach the phylum level, where kingdoms are divided into smaller groups based on shared characteristics. For example, within the kingdom Animalia, we have phyla like Chordata, which includes animals with backbones, Arthropoda, which encompasses insects, spiders, and crustaceans, and Mollusca, which includes snails, clams, and octopuses. Each phylum represents a major branch of the animal kingdom, with its own unique body plan and evolutionary history. Chordates, for example, are characterized by a notochord, a flexible rod that supports their body. Arthropods have jointed legs and a hard exoskeleton, while mollusks have soft bodies often protected by a shell. The next level down is class. Section 4. Families and genera closer connections. Continuing down our taxonomic ladder, we reach the family level. Families group related genera, like Felidae, Canidae, and Hominidae. Each family has shared traits, such as retractable claws in cats and complex social structures in great apes. Within Felidae, the genus Panthera includes lions, tigers, Section 5. The species spectacle uniqueness unveiled. Finally, we reach the bottom rung of our taxonomic ladder, the species level. It's the most specific level of classification, representing a unique type of organism. For example, the lion, Panthera leo, is a distinct species from the tiger, Panthera tigris. The species level is where we truly appreciate the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Imagine you're a detective solving mysteries about life on Earth. That's what taxonomists do. They piece together the history of life and understand species relationships, examining fossils, DNA, and anatomy to trace evolutionary lineages. It's like a giant jigsaw puzzle, each piece a different species. Taxonomy reveals the interconnectedness and shared ancestry of life. Taxonomy plays a crucial role in conservation efforts, providing the foundation for understanding and protecting biodiversity. It's like having a map of a vast forest with each tree representing a different species. This map helps conservationists identify areas of high biodiversity and track endangered species. Understanding taxonomic relationships helps identify keystone species, crucial for ecosystem stability. Taxonomy also aids in combating illegal wildlife trade, protecting countless. Taxonomy has played a pivotal role in conservation success stories. The Kipunji monkey was discovered in Tanzania, initially thought to be a baboon. Genetic analysis revealed it as a distinct species, leading to habitat protection. Taxonomy also saved the Iberian lynx, one of the world's most endangered felines. Genetic studies led to captive breeding and habitat restoration, aiding its recovery. These stories show taxonomy's power in conservation and biodiversity preservation. Every species name, from the majestic African elephant, Loxodonta africana, to the delicate snowdrop flower, Galanthus nivalis, tells a story. These names reflect physical traits, geography, or cultural significance. Learning these names connects us deeply with nature. Discover the fascinating stories behind each name. As we've journeyed through the remarkable world of biodiversity, one crucial message emerges: our planet's future is intricately intertwined with the fate of all living things. Each species, no matter how small, contributes to the richness and beauty of the whole. Imagine a forest without birdsong, a coral reef devoid of its vibrant inhabitants, or a grassland silenced by the absence of grazing herds. The loss of each species diminishes our world, unraveling the delicate web of life. Human activities like deforestation and pollution pose significant threats to biodiversity. Yet, there is hope. By understanding the interconnectedness of life on Earth, we can make a difference. Supporting conservation efforts and promoting sustainable practices, we can help ensure that the tapestry of life continues to thrive for generations to come. You might be wondering, what can I do? I'm just one person. But remember, just as each species plays a vital role in its ecosystem, every individual can make a difference. Start by learning more about the incredible diversity of life in your own backyard. Explore local parks, visit nature reserves, and immerse yourself in nature. Reduce your environmental footprint by making conscious choices in your daily life. Support conservation organizations and participate in citizen science projects. Remember, the future of biodiversity is in our hands. And don't forget to subscribe for more funny animal videos that will brighten your day.